What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT. Today we've got this Hulkman Sigma 1 battery charger, and we're going to take a look at it, unbox it, and set it up. Alright, so inside the box we've got some additional connectors here. This one if you want to attach it to your battery. But this is the one we're going to be using today to clip onto the battery leads. So we'll go ahead and we'll put this one back in the box. Okay, so here's our unit. As you can see, very simple, easy to use. Can't really mess that up. Plug that in here. Clips in. Got a nice Velcro strap here. Nice long connector. Screen here. So let's go ahead and get this thing plugged in. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get these leads hooked onto the battery. Alright, and it automatically detects 12 volts. 12 volt battery. It's reading 12.9. And it automatically starts charging. Hold down the menu button here. You can see the different selections that you get. We know it's a 12 volt, we hit OK, and we let it do its thing. Pretty neat, nice little charger. So this new Hulkman unit is basically going to replace, I probably won't use this one as much, but here's a little cheap Centec one that I got from Harbor Freight. It did the job and it maintains the battery, but it's nice to have this cool little screen here that tells you the voltage and the progress. So we'll still keep this around, but it looks like this Hulkman is going to do the job. We've got here multi-voltage, we saw that already. Automatically run maintenance with no risk of overcharge. It is a nice, simple, easy unit to use, pretty straightforward, and on top of that, the price is just right. I believe this was just under 20 bucks. I will leave a link in the description so you can check this little guy out to have your batteries maintained. I have had batteries in the past that I just didn't get around to maintaining them, kind of forgot, and the battery did eventually die. And it, you know, if you got a warranty, you got to go through that process. And just FYI, if your battery dies, you have to bring the battery in the car to get the warranty on it, which is very interesting because in some cases, wouldn't that mean you have to have it towed? But besides the point, it's your boy BT. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.